Welcome guys, in this video I will use Canva to make a custom YouTube thumbnail. A Youtube thumbnail is very useful to get more views on YouTube. The Canva, and you can find here YouTube thumbnail option on right hand side corner above corners. Here you can find many custom templates. Some are pro and some are free. I will use free in this video. You can edit these templates to make your thumbnail. Just edit them and you can add more headings, text, facts. You can download after making it. To click on share and then click on download. Wait for one scheme and their options with their subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching the video.